Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features of two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but which one is right for you? Let's find out. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes every 6 minutes, making it slightly faster than the Antarctic Star, which produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This difference in speed can be crucial for larger gatherings or parties where quick refills are necessary. While both machines are designed for portability, the Smug model weighs 15.4 pounds, making it a bit heavier. In contrast, the Antarctic Star weighs only 12.7 pounds, making it easier to transport, especially for camping or travel. Both units feature a handle for convenience, but the lighter model is more suited for frequent movement. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is known to produce noticeable noise during operation, which may not be ideal for quiet environments. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star boasts a library quiet operation rated under 40 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prioritize a peaceful setting. In conclusion, both the Smug and Antarctic Star countertop ice makers offer great features for ice production. If you need speed and higher output, the Smug might be your best bet. However, if you prioritize quiet operation and portability, the Antarctic Star stands out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.